Hey guys, this is Bro/Casey, and I just wanted to make a new video. Over things can break, I waste more ideas watching the 24-hour version of me and Cat. Yeah, or 9 Cat, whatever you want to call it, so feedback comments like everybody else does. I think it's 9 Cat, 19 Cat, or they're both spelled the same way. But, so, I wonder how long it took to upload that thing. Probably like a few days or so, because it takes like about like 30 seconds, just 10 seconds about, just to upload like a 5-second video. But, okay, so, I'm going to show you what is in my drawer right here, because I just started a new Zippo Collection, so I'm starting to keep everything that's important to me. But first I have to clean my room, see how that's like messier than everything else. So yeah, our cat right there, trying to run away, because it's like being noticed, but okay, in here is, right now, my house keys. I just add this little thing right here so I could beat someone. Yeah. I have Ronson lighter fuel for the Zippo, which specializes in Zippo. And Ronson is spawned off of Ronson's Zippo flints, which I've already used some. I keep all my, I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already used 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to be exact, so I only have 3 left. But the reason I have that is because I bought myself a Zippo yesterday. Look at all the cool stuff they have on the catalog for Zippos. They have a pocket light, like a pocket lighter. Zippo Blue, which like runs on propane fuel. Zippo makes hand warmers, and a Zippo candle lighter. And like every Zippo, all Zippos have lifetime guarantees. You just send it to the manufacturer, and it sends you a new one for free if it's broken. My sweet jade, so you can see yourself in the mirror. You don't have to be such a douchebag. No, not such a douchebag. My sister's a douchebag. Okay. My sweet shades. My Cookie Monster hat. Last but not least, my Zippos. This is the case of the Zippo that but it came on this box right here, the Zippo box. But I put the Zippo box. I put the black Zippo in here that it's in better condition because I just got it yesterday. And 1 second. Smells like the lighter fuel. Yeah, make sure. Yeah, it's not Zippo fuel, but you see, I got this for like $8.99 today at Walgreens. It works perfectly fine. I just filled it up with the fuel. Yep. Okay. But I put this black one in here because it's in better condition. I want to see how long to bring good condition. See how long it takes, like 30, 40 years to, like how many years it takes to get in condition. See how this? I got this for like $20, $17.99 yesterday. And put it in this box. It came in that packaging box. So, yeah. Well, that's about it. My supers I got last year. Totally pimped them out. See all that? This I got kind of washed out because I used washable. But in church I got a little board. So that's pretty much all why it's all colored like that. I have another one right here. See, this one's not washed out, but it's really close. See, here's the other side. I like this shoe later because it's more designed. But So yeah, that's about it. You know how many bearings I busted in the last week? Yeah, that's about it. And that's how much I saved. Pretty much. I didn't think I thought I'd need a lot more than that, but that's pretty much. Give me ideas for any new videos or like any Zippo tricks or anything you want me to do. Just leave a comment and subscribe. See ya.